everybody. On this video I've got a trigger lock here for a gun. It's a single-sided wafer lock. It's got 5 wafers in it. It's kind of cool. It's actually adjustable for different thicknesses of guns. I think I just snap it all the way as far as it'll go here. And it's actually kind of a surprisingly tricky lock to pick here for what it is. And I'm using the bottom of the keyway here with the Z-style tension tool. Putting a lot of tension on it, and using a Peterson #1 hook. There we go. There we go. So it's a single pin picked. That'll do it for this video, and I will talk to everybody later.